Hi, welcome to MECHOLOGY. Today we are going to create exercise number 52. In this exercise, we will use some non-conventional techniques to improve speed of creating model. And if you want to download this PDF to practice, you can check out the link in description below. So let's go on SolidWorks. So here select new, select part and apply OK. And select the top plane and go to sketch. Select circle and draw one circle. Diameter of this circle is 140 and exit. Now here go reference and select the plane and select the top plane and it is 115. Apply OK. Select this one and go to sketch. Select circle and draw one circle and diameter of this circle is 110. Apply OK. Now go to features. Okay, we need to exit first. Now go to features and here select lofted boss. Select this circle and select this circle and apply OK. Now just hide this plane. Now go to shape, select this face and select this face and here width and thickness is 5 mm. Check the preview. Yeah, it is complete. Now select this one and go to sketch. Now select this inner face, inner edge and select convert entity. Now select the circle and draw one circle here. Diameter of this circle is 130 and select circle and draw one circle here. Distance from here is 86 by 2, it is 43 and from here is also 43. Again select smart dimension and this horizontal distance is also 43 and it is 22 and now select the trim entity, trim this one and this one. Now select the circle and draw one circle here. Diameter of this circle is 10 mm. Apply OK. Now here select circular pattern, select this one and this one and apply OK. Now go to trim entities and trim all the excessive things. And now go to features and select extruded boss. Select this contour and select this inner one also and it is 20 mm. Apply OK. Now select the top plane and go to sketch. Now select circle and draw one circle here. And diameter of this circle is 180. Now select the slot and draw one slot here. Distance from this origin is 150 by 2, it is 75. Sorry, it is 150, not 75. Yeah. And this is 40. And the radius is also 40. Now select the line command and draw line like that. Now select offset entity and select this one, reverse it and it is 20 mm. And now select convert entity and select this inner edge and apply OK. Now just normal it. Now select the circle and draw one circle here. distance of this circle from this origin is 80, and diameter of this is 10. Select this center, select this origin and make vertical. Now here go circular pattern, select this circle, and here instance this is a 10, apply OK. Now again go to circular pattern and select this one, select this one, and this one, and number of instances is 3, apply OK. Now go to feature and select extruded, sorry, it is not cut, select extruded boss, then select the all relevant contours, and just reverse the direction, it is 15 mm, apply OK. Now go to solid body, select extruded 2, and here select body and select this one. Now our exercise has been completed. Thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe and like.